Bitcoin could make the next big directional move as early as next week, according to crypto experts. At least, this is the view of analysts at crypto trading platform DecentRater, who therefore advise in their latest market update that investors should be on alert as Bitcoin could soon see a decisive move up or down. Bitcoin has been making lower highs and higher lows this week, with volatility gradually diminishing in the emerging wedge formation, as it were. Such a constellation usually does not last, with crypto expert Philb predicting that the pattern will come to an end in just a few days. To that effect, he states, "We continue to trade in the daily chart with a short time horizon, taking a look in the direction of traditional financial markets and at developments in Ukraine, so that we are on alert and can take action at any time when the next big directional move comes. And this one is coming faster than we thought, but the actual direction of thrust remains unclear due to the uncertain situation. Either way, this will be a directional movement." With this, Philb reiterates a similar prediction he made earlier in his Telegram group yesterday, March 18th. According to that prediction, the Bitcoin price could initially slip back below the $40,000 mark this weekend before bigger things happen in the coming days. The next big directional move is coming next week. "I'm sure there will be movement," the expert says. To which he adds, in each of the last 3 weekends, Bitcoin got new demand, but then it flattened out during the week in each case, so it's not entirely unlikely to happen again. Currently, the price is supported by the 50 DMA, but the weekly close will ultimately be crucial. Bitcoin's 50-day moving average is currently at $40,330, according to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. So what do you think about the current Bitcoin price? In which direction will it develop? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.